Here we are, live with a nice little rosin joint for a update on the Spider Farmer stuff, the testing and stuff. So before I get into that, I just want to speak a little bit about what we're doing here. This test is not about saying that they're a bad company and you shouldn't buy from them and all this kind of deal. This series is about a company that has requested me to test their products because they believe that I will give them the most truthful and honest information. A lot of reviewers are just kind of like, hey, I got a free light, boom, awesome review. That really don't help a company much at all, and I don't believe that's the purpose of them sending it out. It could be, but yeah. So what this all boils down to is Spider Farmer asked for my assistance, and I agreed to help them out. Mainly because of all the companies that contacted me, they were the most respectful and reasonable to have communications with, and they're trying. So I believe that whether it's a person, corporation, or whatnot, when somebody asks us for help, I believe we have a responsibility in society to help the ones who ask for help and to help the ones who are in need. So yeah, this is about a company that wants to become better. So it's not about bashing their products. It's just about putting out truthful information. With that truthful information, Spider Farmer could end up building a really, really great company. And I truly do hope to see that. So let's get on to a bit of a view here of this tent. And I'm going to be honest, I am impressed with it. So we're going to start right off the hop here with the stitching. Everything is double stitched. The lines, even to be picky, the lines are pretty freaking straight. They're not all wobbly all over the place. Folds are done nice in the corners. The zipper seems to be, I haven't tested any for light leaks, but the zipper quality, nice, big, thick, heavy duty. Pretty darn cool. On down to the window here. They have a mesh here in the window. The only thing I would like to see in here is just a some type of film or something, something that doesn't allow air to go through, but that's only minor. The thing I do like about this window is that the cover comes right off, and so you don't have to wind it up and stuff and kind of use straps or whatnot to hold it on. So you can just kind of just basically rip it off and just set it there, and away you go. Don't look too bad. They're all done in that way, except for the side ones here. They have the nice purple trim on them, and I must say I do like the purple. It looks pretty freaking sweet. The material itself, nice and thick. At the end of it, I'll do a little bit of a comparison of the 4x4 low-end tent I got there. Night and day. Yeah, let's get down in here. We get onto the floor. And to get the nice mat in here, it is held in with Velcro straps there on the corners, which is pretty, that's nice. Yeah, you got your intake here, I guess the screen vents, wiring type hole there, another vent, and your third vent on this wall, plus another, I guess for hosing, forced air type stuff. And they are all they're all doubled, which is nice to see. That helps with light leaks and such. Going up onto the walls here, we have on each side we have looks like a 6-inch. Same thing, double wall duck. 2 strings there to tie, nice. one straight across from it, and then we have the wiring channel here, and it also has the double. Beautiful. And on the top here, I believe we're looking at dual 8-inch. And yeah, that's nice for the filters and whatnot. And then on to the framing here. I must say the framing is more than adequate for a 3x3 tent, and will definitely carry the load that that anybody would put in it. If you overload it, you got too much stuff. The connections, every one of them on this tent went together absolutely perfectly. The one on the 2x2 tent, I did have to pound one connection together. It's a pain to get together and a pain to get apart. But overall, yeah, very impressed with it. Really nice tent. What else can I say here? Well, I was going to compare it to the other tent, but yeah, it's kind of hard to. The other one is not good, and this is definitely far superior by a long shot. If I had to be picky with this tent so far, this is the only thing I'd be picky about, and that's how they put the Spider Farmer on there. I believe the quality on that print should be more pronounced, being that it's the company name and such. But you know, at the same time, it does actually, you know, it looks fine. But you can tell it's the print's not that great. All the little spots here that you see, like in the air, those darker spots, that's from the dimpling type effect that's on the tent. But I must say that yeah, I am very impressed with this tent, and yeah, I'll be happy to grow in it. So yeah, we'll see you soon there with a with somewhat of a tent setup, and we're going to figure out what plants we're going to throw in here. Well, I thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little preview here, and keep your joints lit, your bowls full, and your head held high. Until next time, bye for now.